Oh my god, look at how cringe you guys are.
They don't understand.
They keep hitting it with their faces.
They were hitting the wind chimes earlier.
Oh. Why are you guys
They
cringe?
want to be let in. And then Chipmunk's just getting more and more. He's been here like 3 times. Oh, he figured it out.
Why is he on that wall in particular? Why is he stuck there?
He's a fool. Oh. Hey, Chippy.
You could grab him.
I wouldn't, though. Well, I just appreciate that he's so close. His cheeks seem pretty full, though. He's probably going to be...
Yeah. He's like 10 seconds away from dashing off.
Yeah, he just dashes in that direction when he's had enough.
Oh.
No? Yep, there it is. Oh, wait. Yep, there it goes. He's going to go put him away.